18 months, we've driven it out the garage. Yeah, got a little bit of dust on it. Bonnet on, needs more adjustment. Got the passenger side sliding windows in, not too bad, went alright. Still need to bolt down passenger seat, still got to put nut on the steering wheel, still got to do split pins. Horn, still got to be done. But yeah, we're getting to lots of little jobs now. But yeah, tracking's a little bit off, but again, who cares? We're fine for now. Yeah, yes, a lot of dust. I think we need to give it a wash. Well, we've just popped up the side rows onto a little industrial estate. Managed to get up here. Gear linkage. Oof. Christ, you have to move it like 10 miles. So yeah, apart from that, a couple of wires hanging down. Yeah, gear linkage sort of getting into sort of second and reverse. Just quite, the throw is quite far. Just quickly brushed over with the duster. But, yeah, load more dust on it at the moment. Needs a wash. It needs a bit of paint work doing. Needs a bit of a polish up. It's holding its own. It's holding its own. So yeah, not too sure if we can do any in-car videos. So yeah, so obviously just pop the grill on. Still got the old seats in there. I've got no choice about that. Grill and number plate on, just make it look a little bit fancy. Still got to finish off the wiring on the headlights. Indicator should nearly be there. Got all the flash unit bolted back on. And yeah, wiper motors just to fit on the top. And washers. Oh, all the little jobs now. But we're getting there slowly. Quality video. I'm driving my Mk1. Get into second gear. Yeah. Weird squeak just as I go into second gear. Don't know what that's about. Woohoo! Feel the power! Yeah, I think it's time to get this home. I peed myself. I think it's just the overflow. But yeah, it wasn't accelerating too well, so oh, let's push the plugs back on. I wonder if that helps. Forgot to say we did all the rad hoses. That's how we were able to rad it up. I haven't put the heater in, I've just bypassed it for now. So yeah, it seems to be running a little bit more rougher once it's got hot. So just a bit sluggish, so technical term there. So yeah, a bit more of a tinkering with that. Yeah, sure I could do with a new set of leads, a new set of plugs. I think my dad just threw what on, had it on. But yeah, what we'll do, we'll let it cool down. We'll start it up again and just see if it runs fine cold, and we can check the water level, see if nothing silly's going on. And yeah, we're getting there slowly, we're getting there. I nearly feel the pickup arriving soon, eh? Yeah, lovely. I was about to start doing the wiring, or I have started doing the wiring, but it's taken me for the last hour just to sit there and look at stuff. So yeah, cooled down now, bang, starts on the button, runs properly. So there's something just when it gets hot, maybe timing, vacuum advance, maybe the choke, maybe the jets. So that's alright, we'll get there on that. Also, I'm thinking that the radiator cap goes on without any pressure really, so normally I'm sure you have to push them down a little bit. So it's either lost something or it's not right. So maybe that's why the water's come straight out, because again, you know, it's supposed to be under a certain amount of pressure to go over to the bypass. So yeah, all right, cool. Yeah, I think I'll just stir it for a bit longer and see if anything we can do. Maybe turkey steaks for tea tonight on the barbecue maybe. Don't even know what day it is. Yeah, lovely. Slowly. Put a connector on for the side light. Just extending the wires, because again the headlamp bulbs that I bought aren't, you know, they say mini but really they're not mini. Perfectly. Wires a bit short, so yeah, getting interrupted, texting people. But yeah, just sitting there, relaxing, nice warm weather, playing with wires. Alright, wiring extended, popping light in. Beer. Okay, this is really going to be the end of the video. I think the driving part was great. Please give me loads of likes and thumbs up for that, would be really great. Because that's, I was quite chuffed, I think. I just watched some of the video back. And yeah, I seemed quite happy, didn't I? So let's just check the light and switch. You tell me if the lights are working and I'll check the comments. Side lights on both sides. Full beam. Or dip beam, whatever you like to call it. Let me know if both side lights came on. Oh, I need to tidy up. Anyway, that's it for now. Until next day. Bye bye.